Arrow validation is a method of validating input data using the Arrow library, which provides a number of functions for validating data. Arrow also allows you to collect validation errors, so you can collect all the errors made by the user entering them. Our domain will be a bulletin board where we will be able to create posts. Let's start by defining our post. We also need to define the validation errors that we will return and the methods that will be helpful in validation. Our request will have a method that will return our domain model. We will also include data validation. Zip or accumulate method is used to group all validation errors and return them. Ensure is a way to check the validity of data, a specific condition that must be met. Map or accumulate allows you to group errors for a collection of items. All we have to do is throw an exception with all validation errors if they exist, or create a new post if there are no errors.